Okay, so this tutorial they'll teach you how to get font icons, custom font icons into your marketplace. So the font icons are those little things that basically they're fonts, but they look like fonts, but they're actually icons. So you can use them in places like this. You can use them. This is a font icon, and the good thing about them is that these are all font icons right here as well. So the good thing about them is you can treat them like text. So you can animate them, expand them, change colors, and compared to PNG or JPEGs, which are very static and look very pixelated, if you expand them or contract them, and they're quite slow because for each one you need a different file. All those font icons are in one file, so that's the new way to basically have all kinds of icons on your marketplace. Like this is a font icon and so forth. So first we need to find some font icons. So there's one website that you can find font icons from, but there's plenty of others. Basically you need the vector icons. That's what you're looking for, vector icons. So flat icon is one of those websites. So in this case I'm looking for, right now I'm just going to do a demo, I'm looking for an icon for a stylist. So basically I'm going to replace this shoe with something more appropriate. So I've come here and I've typed artist in here, and I'm looking and I found basically this icon right here. This guy looks like an artist, like a stylist. So we'll click add. So here it is, we add it here, and then the next thing you want to do is you want to click download collection. You want to choose right here icon font. So you click icon font, and you can buy it. For now, to give it a try, you can kind of click the free download. Okay, I'm going to save it to my desktop. So this is the little icon collection I just downloaded. So I'll go to the font, and what I'm interested in this thing, it's flaticon.svg. So the next thing is I'm actually going to create the font. So in order to do that, I have to go into Fontello. So type fontello.com, and over here what I'll do, I already created this custom icon thing here, but let me start from scratch. So what I'll do is I'll come here, click reset all changes, and this thing actually saves what you have here across sessions, so there's no really need to save anything. I'll click clear icons. So this is basically how it's going to look like when you first come here, and you don't have to do it every time. You just do it once at the beginning, and then you're always going to have your custom icons here. Even if you close this tab, you open it tomorrow and it will still be here. So what you want to do is you want the CSS prefix to say custom icon with a dash, and then what you want to do next is you want to click import, and you want to import this my icon collections that you just downloaded. Go to font and choose the flaticon.svg. So click open, and there it is. That's the little guy. So we can click on it, make sure that it's there's a pink border around the icon. You can also click right here on top. You can kind of edit the name. So over here we're going to type it's a stylist. Don't touch this, you don't need to worry about that. So just type stylist right here, save glyph. Again, you want to make sure that it is selected, so you have one icon selected. See here how many icons you have currently in your web font. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click you don't really need to type anything in the font name, I don't think. So you just click download web font. So that's what the file name is going to be. So here I have little fonts. I'll make another folder, Cadabra. I'll save it here, and I'll go back to my fonts, to Cadabra. So I'm going to extract it, and in the folder you'll have two things. You'll have the config, so you can always upload this config JSON back to Fontello and it will restore whatever you just downloaded. In the font we have the font files, and in the CSS there's this thing, Fontella CSS. So what you'll need to do, you'll need to open it with Notepad. Is probably not going to work, so you can open it with the WordPad. That's probably the best thing to open it with. Or if you have, you know, Visual Studio or something that more robust, you can open also with that. But WordPad should work. And basically, what you're going to be looking for is this line right here, and this is basically going to be the definition that that's going to translate your custom icon name with the actual code for the font. But you don't really need to care about this. All you have to do is just remember that you go all the way to the bottom, find this spot right here, uncommon for 3D effects. The next thing after that is basically where it starts saying custom icon. We have only one icon, but you'll have a lot more icons, I'm assuming. So just copy this, and I'll show you where to copy it. So next we're gonna go to our page editor, to structure domains. So we'll go here to pages, type custom. There you go. You have default include custom icons. So this is good. The override page, that's the one that belongs to you. So click on that. And what you want to do is you want to edit the CSS icons. And this is where you're gonna, right here, icon CSS definition. This is where you're gonna post that that definition from that WordPad. So you're gonna come here, select this, and paste it into here. So this is going to be your definition. And the next thing, you want to make sure you upload those files as well. So you click upload file, you go to desktop or whatever. This is actually files from Fontella. So you go to fonts, Cadabra. This is the Fontella download. So you click on the font folder, and here you have the EOT, SVG, TTF, and WOF. And the reason you have different file types for different browsers want different font encodings. So you download, 4 of them should cover all the browsers possible. That's it. So now you have this icon definition, the new fonts you got from Fontello. Leave this as is. It's going to be font prefix custom icon, custom icon. That's it. Click update, save. Now you can go to for example, to your drop down page or start page or any page that has a font icon. For example, the navigator list, and you go here, edit this all stylist. So now you can type custom icon space custom icon dash stylist. Click update, click save, and let's see if it's gonna work. There it is. That's your stylist right here. Let's say you want to have a stylist right here. So you're going to go to your start page, which is going to be this start page, Cadabra start. And over here you have this icon box image. And over here you see there's this icon, which is the icon font or font icon, any way you want to call it. So you type custom icon space custom icon dash stylist. That basically describes the definition of the custom icon. And that's it. Click update, save, refresh. Then you have your stylist right here. And the cool part about this is it again those font icons. Um, you can make this thing as large as you want. So if you make it 40 px, let's see, 400 px, you can see that it doesn't lose any of the lines. It's not pixelated or anything like that. So you can really use those icons anywhere, and they're gonna look great on the Retina displays on iPads and iPhones and so forth. That's it.